Okay, so this time for on my Sangean CL100, I'm gonna listen to another required weekly test of the NOAA weather radio, but this time I'm gonna actually be leaving a radio station on right here, like so, and I have like the weather channel switched on. So we're gonna see while it's tuned into a FM station that if required weekly test will sound off. Should happen in any second, I think. Here we go.
And same alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems.